In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Asana. First, head to Asana's login page and sign into your workspace. If your organization uses Google, choose your Google account. Otherwise, use your usual login method. Once you're in, pick the project you want to track time in. Opening the right project ensures the fields apply only where you need them and won't clutter other teams' work. Make sure you're in List View. That's where we'll add the time fields. At the top of your task list, click the plus icon to add a field to this project. If you don't see the plus icon, widen your window or switch back to List View. In the field library, type Time Tracking, then select it. Asana adds two columns automatically, Estimated Time and Actual Time. Let's set an estimate first. Click into the estimated time cell for a task and choose a value that reflects how long you expect the work to take. Next, move to the actual time field for that same task and choose a sample time as a placeholder. This lets you compare planned versus recorded hours. If you want to tweak those values, click the time you just set to open the selector again. You can jump back to estimated time, adjust the number, and confirm by clicking the updated value. Then switch to the actual time field so it's active and ready for tracking. Both fields are editable at any time, so you can refine estimates before you start and correct any manual entries if needed. When you're ready to work, start tracking in real time. Inside the actual time field, click Start Timer. You'll see the timer begin counting for that task, and the actual time will reflect the elapsed time as you go. Keep the task selected while you work. The timer stays tied to the task. Quick tips for clarity. Use consistent units across your team and keep estimates realistic so your estimated versus actual comparison is meaningful. With these fields in place, your project will show where time is going and help you plan future work more accurately. That's all you need to get time tracking up and running in Asana.